In this video, I am going to share with you my secret of designing in SolidWorks. You can also start following these steps and start making your own creation. Stick around, I will show you how. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the crazy design team of passionate people. Today we are going to use 3 tricks that I haven't talked about before. You will be designing the roll cage of the road legal high performance sports car made by Ariel Motor Company based on Frequent. These are the reference I had for the entire designing process. Don't worry, you won't be needing all of these. You just need to have length, height and width of the car. That is, length equal to 3401 mm, width equal to 1798 mm and height equal to 1195 mm. Also, I will be giving away this roll cage 3D model to all of you for free, of course, so that you can get some motivation. The first thing we need to do is download the blueprint and export it to the SolidWorks. Secondly, create the sketch of frame and custom element profile. And last but not the least, making solid body with the help of weldment tool, which will lead you in completion of your chassis design. In this video, we will be designing the sketch that will define our basic framework. For this particular project, what I did for you is, I have converted all the required materials into something that you can download. So download the file from the description that will give you everything, including this exoskeleton roll cage for this particular project if you want to practice and study. After downloading the blueprint from the description below, you need to export it to SolidWorks. You need to go over the toolbar, then click on the sketch tools, then scroll it down. There you will find sketch picture, click on that and then go to the folder where you have saved the file and import it. Now you need to give the length, width or height as per requirement and then make sure everything lies in the center by giving some negative value at the blueprint property table. So the first step of course was to figure out how you will be able to get the blueprint of the car. For that you just need to search in the Google for the blueprint of car which you want to make. After getting the pic, crop it closer to the corner as much as possible, because you will be getting a single pic which will include 4 views in it, or just download from the description below. Then all you need is to import blueprint which I made for you to the SolidWorks. After importing the blueprint in SolidWorks, bring all together in single folder which will help you later. Second step will be creating the sketch profile of the chassis. Using a spline, try to trace the center of tube in both top and front plane, making sure that endpoints of both the spline lies at the same axis or the same line. You can refer to this dimension in the video if you want to copy mine. So, the roll cage used to be really difficult to create because you really have to be good at designing and figure things out, but thanks to this trick which I am sharing with you, it's significantly easier now. After successfully creating the 2D sketch on the both plane, you need to project both sketches together to form 3D spline. Keep in mind, this spline is for reference. We will use this spline to form 3D lines. Here in this video, I will be showing you the mistake which I have done so that you don't have to struggle, because I have done the hard work for you and make it easier for you to follow. Basically, there was 2 mistakes which I did. First was making sweep profile, which I have to delete later on, so you don't have to create this sweep profile and keep the reference line as it is. Don't create this sweep profile. I repeat, don't create this sweep profile. You can see the video is distorted at this part because you can get an idea that you need not make this sweep profile. And second mistake was making custom weldment profile of diameter 50 mm, which was quite big for this project. You need to take care of dimension of the custom weldment profile, so you need to make the diameter of custom weldment profile as 30 mm outer diameter with 3 mm thickness of pipe, which is 3 mm offset, which I will tell you later on this video. This projected curve will represent the sketch profile of the chassis. Now repeat the same process to get rest of 3D reference splines. Here we will target for only 5 reference projected splines. This projected curve will help in getting 3D line that represent frame of vehicle. So basically there were the 2 mistakes which I did during the designing process of this car. When you are really into something, failure and pain does not even register, right? Like when I am really working on something, I hit so many brick walls and so many problems like long render time, slowing down of system, crashing of SolidWorks while designing, and lot more. It doesn't matter because you are really into it. And if you are enjoying the subject, you get excited because you are getting closer and another step and another step, and it goes on. It's such a lovely feeling. If you don't enjoy the work which you are doing, every single one of those problems you had, it's gonna be like a roadblock. It's like hitting a brick wall and it's gonna hurt, right? Trust me, it's gonna hurt so bad. So creating what you love is so vitally important. Just remember one thing, when passion drives you, nothing in the world can stop you. And for me, like I want to do projects, I want to be into fabricating my designs and then drive it. This is my dream. If support and subscribe, then definitely I can make that dream come true. And will sure bring the video of joy for you to watch. I really love cars and designing is my passion. It's been 2 years me practicing SolidWorks, and I did the same as you are doing now. I used to watch YouTube video and practice it a lot, compromising my sleep whole night and day. I just keep practicing. I just keep on doing stuff what I love, and I just want to continue it. I gave the dedication, time, and did the hard work. So trust me, if I can do, you can do it too. Just never give up. The main idea behind this roll cage design is that it revolves around creating 2 different splines in 2 different planes, and then you will project it for your reference of the frame structure. And by using those splines as reference, you will be preparing 3D sketch for weldment profile. This is the way I did, and fortunately it worked for me. You try to make lines parallel to the blueprint as close as possible. It will help you a lot. And for those who don't know what the weldment actually is, weldment functionally enables you to design a weldment structure as a single multi-body part. You use 2D or 3D sketches to define the basic framework. Then you create a structural member containing group of sketch segments. You can also add items such as gaskets and end caps using tools on the weldment toolbar. In this project, I am not gonna change the frame because it would not make sense to me. I like the way this frame exists because it gives you more space to bring out your own creativity. So instead, I will be changing the body components, fix the chassis, and do some experiment on the body panels. The Atom began as a student project by Coventry University. A transport design student, Nikki Smart, known as the LSC, lightweight sports car. It was developed at the university in 1996 with input and funding from various automotive industry members including British Steel and TWR. Ariel Motor Company boss Simon Saunders was the senior lecturer whose responsibility for the project was primarily as financial manager and design critic for Smart, whom he described as the best all-round designer student I have ever seen. The car was first shown publicly at the British International Motor Show at the NEC in Birmingham in October 1996. Thanks for all the love and support, guys. I am very happy that I am getting such a nice positive response from you people. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. And those who are new to my channel, subscribe for more crazy design tricks. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Also share it amongst friends. Till then, take care, bye, and have very happy new year 2021. See you in the next video. So guys, this is my website. You can download my projects from here, and I have uploaded 4 models here. And if you want to download Aerial Atom, simply click here, and if you click here, these windows will pop out, and from here you can download it easily. And if you want to download this car, you can download it by the same procedure. Same goes for this one. We'll download it and enjoy. See you in the next video.